My name is Benjamin Martin, and I'm doing the fire rescue program at CERT Center, Marine Institute. I was looking to get into the fire service, and I asked around. I went to the fire station and asked the firefighters that were there. They all said Marine Institute because it's the one with the most certifications. Fire rescue, it trains us to be a firefighter overall, but there's a lot of more things that goes into just firefighting. There's a lot of certifications that you gotta get. First responder medical training, and hazmat, and fire one. You gotta be prepared to be here. It's only 6 months, it's intense, it's very fast paced, but at the end it's very worth it. First run, that it's called, it's an overall showcase of everything that we did during the year. We're gonna do a rappel off a tower, approximately 40 feet. We got some simulations in the smokehouse scenarios that we ran. Vehicle fires, you're gonna see students operating the pump. It's very cool, it's a fun experience. So what I value most in this course was honestly the camaraderie from all the students together, even the instructors. The minute we got a problem, somebody's there to help us and make sure that we understand. They're gonna take us one-to-one. All the students, after class, we go together, we study, we're all there together. At the end of the day, the fire rescue program, it gives you more opportunities once you graduate. You have the most certification under your belt, and that is just an advantage of when you apply for a job, you're ready.